And here he comes. Whoa, that is so loud. Before we get started, I want to give you guys an update on the movie car. It's going to get California exempt plates. It's going to get the horizontal grill switched over to the honeycomb grill. I am adding these red and blue covers to the clear covers here. It's going to look way doper. I'm painting the door back to white, and it's also going to get its stickers. It's getting these window bars added so I can finally do Can You Escape a Cop Car challenge. All channel members are getting their stickers refreshed because yeah, those didn't age well. What is up, man?
Another day off the job.
All right, I'm glad you could make it. This right here is Lieutenant Chris, or what do you go by?
You call it Lieutenant Else.
Lieutenant Else. Yeah, I said that wrong, my bad. Don't tase me. Anyways, Lieutenant Else is a armed security guard.
Yep.
I don't know, do you mind telling us what company you work for?
Strategic Alliance out in Richmond.
Man, let me go ahead and walk around you, check out your gear. You're looking like you're ready for war.
Yeah, you have to. It's California. You know what to expect.
Either that or you look like one of those strippers. We are gonna be searching his vehicle here. We're gonna possibly find a biscuit in there. Just kidding. So you wanna kind of give me a little rundown of your everyday carry?
Let's start up here and go down. So here, radio, talk to all the other employees. Kenwood radio.
Kenwood radio. Very nice. If you're wondering why my hands are black, this is actually paint that is dried from the Vegas police car project. If you haven't already seen it, go watch it. You guys are missing out. Loving the CROWNRICKAUTO patch.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Got to.
For sure.
Pepper spray.
What kind of pepper spray you got?
Pepper gel, Saber Red.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the good stuff.
The gel's better than spray.
Yeah, I mean, when I got sprayed with mace.
Oh, I remember that. I did.
Yeah, it wasn't like that crazy, you know what I mean? I could totally still keep committing crimes. Committing crimes.
Handcuffs. Everybody wants handcuffs on the video. I'll be watching.
That's right. Actually, comment handcuffs. We're going to be giving you guys these handcuffs right here.
Not these. Nice try.
Oh, this is a double pouch.
Yep.
And what particular brand? He's got Smith & Wesson handcuffs.
Now I got just a knife.
Policia?
A little knife. Just a knife that I got on Amazon. Handcuff key.
Yeah.
Magazines. 15 rounds.
15 rounds each.
Hollow
points, of course.
I don't play that.
You like to make them hurt?
Yep. X26 taser. I'm sure you've seen one of these when Rick had one.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared of tasers.
Extended battery.
Yeah, extended battery.
Woo! You wanna try it?
It's so tempting though. You know what? Let's pop off one of those by the end of the video.
Yeah, heck yeah.
We'll walk around. Maybe we'll find a loyalist or something we can pop off. And let me take a look at your badge.
It says lieutenant.
Nice. Yeah. Right. He's a real lieutenant from his job. He actually has a job.
Beating stick that everybody calls it.
Oh, you got the long one.
Yep. Not the super short one.
Yeah, the little stubby one. Nice.
And look, I also have this.
Ooh, man, you get hit with that thing?
I have this too. I don't really carry it like that.
Oh yes, that's like the San Francisco style. Do a little swings on that thing.
You with it?
No, I seen a video where the cop was literally going like this, boom, 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 hitting this dude.
That's
no, but I mean it was skill though. So and then you got like a flashlight of some sort. Show us your biscuit real quick.
Key holder.
Oh, you got a attachment now this time.
No, I've already had this.
You always had that
attachment?
attachment?
You carry my off-duty holster.
Oh, okay.
I just leave it
so what is it again?
Glock 22 40 caliber.
Cool, I like it.
It's a little dirty. I have to clean it.
I wish I was allowed to walk around and carry one. But I don't have a permit.
Yeah, I ain't got too much. It's all I really need, really.
Yeah, so does everybody at your job look that tacked out like you are?
Probably only like one.
Only one other person?
Yeah, everybody else, they have the vest, but they don't got all like I do.
Oh, but not as cool as you.
Yep.
For sure, man. If there's ever a zombie apocalypse,
You're gonna call me.
I'm gonna call you. I'm hanging out with Lieutenant Chris. All right, so let's take a look around at your car. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Looks like he has the headlight flashers, which is cool, and he's got the strobes, wheel spotlights, LED. That's Unity.
Yeah, that's Wheeling.
And that's wheeling. Okay. And then how come these don't flash?
I don't have a flasher hooked up to them. I like it like that.
Oh, you just like it like that? It looks pretty dope. What kind of visor lights are those? Speed Tech?
Yeah.
How big is this antenna on here? Holy smokes. Looks like you could communicate with aliens. Oh, and you got the back strobe too. Nice. And then what are these over here?
Those are Wheeling.
Wheeling.
Rear deck Avengers.
Rear deck Avenger. Nice. It's a sweet ride so far. Okay, let's take a look inside. Search it for goodies, weapons, guns. Oh, look like you got another tourniquet. Okay, cool.
Case.
All right, cool, man. You got the dope one. This one's got the traction control on, off, the cruise control. And it looks like there's more handcuffs right here. Maybe these are the ones he'll give away. He's working with a Panasonic Tough Book. What's this?
5000.
Code 3 thingy. Can we give it away?
No.
How do I turn this off?
Press it again.
Oh, okay. And then what does this do?
I don't have a traffic advice.
And then why you have two scanners?
One's digital and one's analog.
Does this work?
Yeah.
Move out of the way, criminal. Yeah, I love it. What are you running here? Like what's all this right here?
I can check out all the reports of all the guards and all the properties. Because I am the supervisor.
Oh, okay.
Reports.
Do you like your job as a armed security guard?
For now. I'm trying to move my way up to the police department. I'm actually in the process right now, so
Oh, really?
I'm just working here until I get there.
Uh-huh.
Pay my bills.
And then you're just doing side jobs here as
Yeah.
CROWNRICKAUTO security.
Yeah.
You could just go buck wild here. The rules aren't the same.
And still do your job.
Yeah, exactly. Have you ever had to tase anybody at your job?
Not yet.
Have you ever had to shoot at anybody?
Hell no. I don't want to. I mean, if I had to, I will.
Yeah.
I'm going home.
Yeah, right. I totally understand that part. What is like the craziest thing that happened at your job?
It was really recent. I was watching cameras, and it looked like this dude was shooting somebody in one of the circles. I said, "Oh crap!" I took off out the office and sprinted over there, and I had him at gunpoint. But in the end, it ended up being a BB gun. He shot somebody with a BB gun and then tried to run. So now he's in jail.
Oh yeah, that's still just as bad though. You can't shoot somebody with a BB gun.
Yeah, I'm like, you're tripping, dude.
Yeah, you could kill somebody.
So he's in jail now.
Good. That's where he belongs.
Idiot.
For sure. What you got over here? Oh, look, you got an extra thingy we could shoot off. It's like a ticket book of some sort. All right, let's pop the trunk. Hopefully we'll hopefully we'll find a biscuit in the oven. Got anything special in here?
Crap. You get gym bag or whatever else I use it for.
Oh, you just got a bunch of random
Wires, crap.
car spaghetti.
Yeah.
Nothing exciting.
Recycle. Flares. I mean, what do you call it? Dynamite.
Oh, dynamite shank weapons. Should we light one of these up?
I'm trying to use all my gun, now my dynamite sticks.
Nobody wants to see that anyways.
You already know what it does.
Yeah, everybody knows what it does.
Ain't nothing special.
Right.
I don't know how do you fix that?
Just butter it up. Yep, you need to bring this over to my house so I could spit shine it clean for you. How many feet is that?
This is green, so I think it's 25.
25 feet?
Yeah.
So it definitely is gonna reach right there. Let's tase as a fish. I'm hungry.
Tase as a fish?
Yeah, let's tase as a fish. Let's fry a fish.
I don't even see any fish in there.
Well, just pretend you see one and shoot it.
Did I get it?
I think you got it. It should float up any minute now. Give it a little more current. Oh yeah, that's making full contact. Why is that so funny?
This is Captain Sam Savage, home of Richmond, California, where they get savage. And I'm glad that I can manage Also for Crown Rick for coming through with all my stuff. Walkie-talkie and everything, I make it rough. And we got the pad quickly to see and all the penal codes so I can arrest who I be. Man, I'm in the streets, you know, I love my things and everything.
Yeah.